Hey stargazers, today we're exploring something truly unique. Sonification is the process of converting astronomical data into sound. Since space is a vacuum and sound can't travel through it, different features of an object, like brightness, position, or movement, are assigned to pitch, volume, and rhythm. For example, brighter stars can create higher pitch tones, while distant galaxies create deeper tones. NASA has used sonification to bring cosmic wonders to our ears. The famous pillars of creation were transformed into a haunting melody. And even black holes produce eerie, deep frequencies. Sonification isn't just cool, it helps scientists detect patterns they might have missed visually, and even makes space more accessible for the visually impaired. Turning space into sound brings the universe a whole new life. Hit that follow button to stay tuned for more educational videos on the cosmos. Keep your eyes on the stars and stay curious.